So let me show you how to edit levels in the 001 game engine. This game engine is pretty similar to GameMaker Studio 2, except for this is better in my opinion. Before we get started guys, don't forget to smack the like button down below and subscribe. It's also a bell next to the subscribe button, which will let you know when I upload new videos. I kinda like this game engine. It's super easy to use and it's extremely powerful. Okay, so let's get started here. So let me just run this here. Before we do that, let me just turn off the music because this is one of the bad things about this game engine. The default music is just bad. Okay, it has some good music in there, but the music they picked for this level is just, let's just face it, it's terrible. Okay, so turn off the music there and let me just try this level. So you might be saying, okay, this looks nice and everything, but I opened the game engine and I was like, okay, WTF, how do I like make a level and stuff? And this is what I'm going to show you right now. Okay, it's actually a lot easier than what you think. Okay, we're going to hold control and we're going to scroll with the middle button, and you can see this thing's changing color. And what this is doing is actually changing layers. Okay, so when they go gray like that, you're in a different layer. Okay, you can actually go here to view and change to different layers. Okay, so if the layer is selected, you can edit it. Okay, if it's not, obviously you can't. So let me just remove this here. Let me just find the that sprite. Okay, this is the sprite here. Let me just select the delete button here, and you can delete this here. Okay, or you can add to it. Let me just actually edit this here like this, and you tell me if you can do this in GameMaker Studio. No, you can't. Well, you kinda can, but it's not as easy as this. You can actually kinda just paint with this, which is kinda cool. Okay. Paint all the way to the bottom. I mean to the end, not the bottom. Here's the bottom here. This is probably gonna be uploaded to my secondary channel because it's a long video and I normally upload only short videos to my main channel, and that is because YouTube, the way YouTube works. Okay, so it's actually more beneficial for me to upload long videos to my secondary channel. Okay, so there it is. Our character is in jail now or something because he's behind that thing there. So that is our front layer there. Okay, so if you want to add things to the front layer, you can simply use that layer. Okay, now we're going to delete all this here. So take the eraser and simply delete, just like that. Now notice that the eraser doesn't erase anything else that is not in this layer here. Okay, so let me go to the other layer here and let me find the appropriate sprite. I believe it's this one here, and actually I can probably just delete this here. You can actually fill paint like this, like you can kill the whole thing all at once, but we're not going to do that. We are going to edit this to make it look pretty. Now I don't really want that over there, so I could probably just get rid of it or reuse it somewhere else. Actually, I'm just gonna make up this. I didn't actually plan for this video. I just wanted to show you how this works, which means that I'm just making this stuff up as we go. Kind of like when you first open a game engine and you're just kind of like poking around and figuring out things as you go. And maybe I can make like a hole here or something, and some stairs here. Let me make some stairs here. Deselect the eraser, and I have the brick wall there. Let me just try it like this, just for giggles. I'm not really worried about completing an actual level. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to like edit levels in this game engine compared to like even GDevelop. I think this beats GDevelop by a mile. Sorry, GDevelop. See, and that is a jump through platform, as you can see. Yay! Now, one cool thing about this is those listeners, those sounds, speakers. As you get closer to the origin of the sound, you will hear the sound louder. Okay, it's a pretty good feature, if you ask me. So far, we're almost done with this video because really I can't see anything else I can add to this other than I edit this year. Let me just show you quickly how these the spikes work and stuff like that for damage to the player. If you remove the collider there, you can see that these spikes are actually just a sprite. Okay. Without the actual collider, they don't do any damage. So what does the damage is actually this here. If you double click on it, you will see that it has a script. Okay, which you can simply copy these and apply it to something else for damage and stuff. Pretty handy to keep around. Okay. So let me just move those spikes here. You can't actually physically drag those because they're actually just painted into the wall there. So let's just edit that. Okay, that was I believe in here. Let me draw more spikes right there, and I'm going to delete those here. Delete. Okay. And I'm going to drag my damage thingy here. So there you go. Now we need to change the start of the player. I mean the start position of the player. So select castle interior, which is already selected, and we want to select a different location, maybe like here, so that way you're not going to start on the spikes. Okay, let's run this. You can see that this is extremely simple. I mean, anyone can make a game in this. Really, if you're not creating games with this game engine, really, you're not gonna find anything easier, I don't think, for building games. Okay, just like that, we are making our own level. I believe in the previous video I showed you how to like change the sprites and stuff and the animations for your characters. I mean, I covered some of the basics, how to do it, and it's really not hard. Okay, so like if you went here to bodies, you can replace your character. Okay, in the last video we used the robot, but really you can use anything, or you can animate something yourself, or if you're not good at animation, you can there are tons of free sprites you can use, so you can just buy sprites. I mean, as little as $1.50 you can get sprites from somewhere else. There is a lot of free sprites you can use, and you're allowed to use them commercially. Like, free is good. Oh wait, we need to test the spikes. We didn't test the spikes. We have to jump into the spikes to make sure that they work. Okay, let me just press the enter button, and we're going to jump into the spikes. You can see that it has the illusion that they actually work, but you know, it's just a picture. I really like how you can just edit things like so easy in this game engine. You don't have to go and edit the map somewhere else and then come back here. You can do it all here, all at once, which is freaking amazing if you ask me. I guess that's it. I think that covers everything that I wanted to cover in this video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Okay. To create new levels, obviously you can simply just duplicate these and modify the level, and do that, right? This here takes you to the next map. Okay, so obviously you simply you simply select a different map here, just like Unreal Engine in 2D. Actually, I shouldn't say 2D because this actually can make 3D games. Again, it's just freaking amazing. Okay guys, I believe this game engine is on sale on Steam, so the link is down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because chances are I will upload this to my second channel, Teeth Sparkman 2. Thanks for watching guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye now.